Radius calculation. If you know the circumference of a circle, then you can easily calculate its radius. Circumference of this circle is 229.22 meter. We are going to calculate the radius of this circle. You should know a formula for calculating radius. R is equal to C by 2 pi. R is radius that we have to find out. C is circumference of this circle, that is 229.22 meter. Two pi is 2 into 3.14. So 229.22 divided by 6.28. When we calculate it, we will get 36.50 meter. This radius is 36.50 meter. 36.50 meter is the marking distance radius of 400 meter standard track. Next is circumference calculation. If you know the radius of a circle, then you can easily calculate its circumference. This radius is 36.80 meter. 36.80 meter is the running distance radius of 400 meter standard track. Draw a circle with this radius. You should know a formula for calculating circumference. C is equal to 2 pi r. C is circumference that we have to find out. 2 pi is 2 into 3.14. R is radius is equal to 2 into 3.14159 into 36.80 meter. Normally we take 2 digits after 3, but here I have taken 5 digits after 3. Then only our calculation will be absolutely correct. Therefore 2 into 3.14159 into 36.80 meter is equal to 6.28318 into 36.80 meter. Again I am using 5 digit after 6. Our final calculation is 231.22 meter. Circumference of this circle is 231.22 meter. Finally, we can check whether our calculation is correct or incorrect. Total length of two straight is 168.78 meter. So 231.22 meter plus 168.78 meter is equal to 400 meter. So our calculation is absolutely correct. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.